Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Ooh. Wheel of Fortune wanted to pop out for you, Taurus. This is good luck, good fortune. Let's put this card here. I'm not going to put it back. I hope this means something wonderful for you today. So let's begin our reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin your reading. And to be honest, I've already done your reading a couple of hours ago. Something told me to maybe do another one, or let's see what message wants to show through. The other one is I felt it couldn't be for everyone out there. I may just post that as well, I'm not sure. Let's see what wants to show through for this one. Taurus, okay. 4 of Cups, 4 of Swords, and the Temperance card. 6 of Pentacles, Strength card. All right, this was the main card in your, even the angels gave the card of Be Brave in the last reading, and you had the Strength card there as well. Okay, and the Queen of Cups, Hanged Man, Page of Cups, and the King of Cups. Under my deck, I have the High Priestess in reverse. So some of you are finding feeling a bit difficult listening to your intuition right now, wondering what is the correct direction maybe to go to, trying to find strength even though feeling very emotionally overwhelmed at the moment. Maybe there's a lack of equal give and take, feeling very depressed and sad at the moment, needing to take some time out and just recuperate and heal yourself because you're feeling drained out. So let's start with some dialogue message cards. See if you could say something to each other, what that would be. Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Taurus and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be, spirit? Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, Taurus. Taurus and their person. All right, good to go, Taurus. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can ever think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. Would you just stop holding back, lay it all on me? I want you to reveal your true self to me. Tell me your hopes, your dreams, your fears, your vulnerabilities, what makes you tick and what you truly desire. We are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should be able to communicate about our triggers in a healthy way by having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to the all-consuming love I have for you. I cry myself to sleep thinking about all the time we've missed out on. I wish I could go back in time and change things. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire waiting for you. I feel so much passion for you. My ex and I are just friends. We see this from 2 different perspectives. So let's start your reading, Taurus. Let's see what wants to show up now. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice. or a message, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus. And the card I have here for you is Taurus. I think this came out for you in the love read as well. Don't compromise. You'll have to find your strength. That came out in the earlier read. I think I should post that as well. Let's see. Four of Cups, Spirit. Four of Cups. Yeah, things are unbalanced. Somebody needs to make one choice, one decision, and not stay in this limbo or this crossroads forever. But this sadness and this feeling of rejection, sadness is keeping somebody stuck here. Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. Four of Swords. Somebody is kind of wishing, hoping maybe for a brand new beginning, but wherever they're at the moment, I don't think there's a feeling of victory or happiness or any sense of emotional happiness either. I think somebody is really taking some time out now to think about it or heal themselves or feel good or de-stress themselves, because the feeling is that, this is a false soulmate connection. The love is not there anymore. I don't want to be in an environment which, I can't sleep well at night. I'm stressed out. There is no equal balance. There's no equal give and take. Yet there's that fear of change as well. There's a fear of change, and that keeps somebody stuck from moving forward. Even though there's a lot of heartbreak here. There's a lot of heartbreak here. What's the Strength card? Yes, somebody needs a lot of strength, yes, to drop this connection now, the connection that's not working, never has, is not. Somebody is gathering up their strength to kind of drop this connection, get out of a stuck place. And because maybe they've been dealing with a magician in reverse, maybe a trickster, who's been draining their energy. And I have somebody feeling very emotionally overwhelmed at the moment. Yes, this somebody is very angry. Yes, they are angry, but somewhere they are doubting their own selves, I would feel. Sometimes they feel this is too much for me. Sometimes they feel that I must do the right thing and I must return. Even though they can see that the tower has already fallen on this connection, it's slow and steady, it's kind of just ending, always feeling left out in the cold, abandoned, but still keeping quiet about their true desires. As much as somebody wants to come out of this stuck place and make a decision, they are unable to drag themselves out of always looking back, maybe, of having something new, accepting any new offer, or moving forward, lacking the strength. Yes, the minute they think of their passionate new beginning, I think this person feels stuck. They kind of giving up the fight. Each time they feel that surge of excitement of moving forward, they kind of stop themselves here. Who's this King of Cups, Spirit? Who's this King of Cups? Somebody is being emotionally kept in a place where their partner, they're choosing to stay with the partner who is emotionally manipulative, creates unrest. There are a lot of bad memories now which have been created. Then what's the problem, Spirit? What's the problem in making a decision? Somebody doesn't want to move forward and make an unwise decision. Maybe they're afraid of what people will say. Maybe they're afraid of the gossip. about maybe moving towards new love, maybe worried about a divorce or some legal implications on this, feeling that they will be termed as a liar or a cheat or somebody who snuck away. Somebody doesn't have clarity about how to end this chapter to move towards their own happiness. They're not being able to use their intuition right now. High Priestess in reverse, Spirit. Yes, not seeing that there's a brand new opportunity, feeling that everything is over, all is gone, all is over, and they're just not listening to their guidance to say that, it's up to them to make that choice, up to them to make that, they have to be strong enough and not compromise on their happiness. Again, I've gone off on a tangent of giving advice, which is what I did in the last one as well, a little bit, so I thought I'll do another one. But the message is the same. Message is almost the same, that somebody is afraid to leave behind something because of maybe social pressure or stability or money or something like that. But there is unhappiness where they are at as well, right? So I don't know, maybe I'll do a third, I'm not sure, but you have to trust, Taurus, you have to trust that God has a plan for you. Things are going to happen for the best for you. Luck is on your side, believe it or not. Okay, so there's no need to compromise at all. That's all I have for you, Taurus. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.